of all of these lines, graph A, B, C, D, what we need to do is to pick points on the line. We have to pick points on the line. So if I want to pick points on this particular one, the first one, I will maybe I can pick this particular point 6. Can you see the point 6? Can you see the point
Yeah.
at 6 here on the line? So if you can see the point at 6, you can
Okay,
trace
but
it
why you starting
down.
from 6?
I can pick any point, okay?
Okay.
I just want to draw something like a triangle on this line that the hypotenuse will be on the line. So probably if I do something like this, then I can trace it to 6. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Now, if this is what I'm picking, then I will have to, these are the 2 points. I've picked 2 points on the line. The first point is here, and the second point is down here, okay?
Okay.
Now, for the 2 points, if the point above, no, the point above, there is x and y values, okay?
Okay.
So on y, I have 6 at this top, but on x, I have 6 as well, okay?
Yeah.
Can you see it here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my point on x because it's 2, 4, 6. And on y also it is 2, 4, 6. That's why it's 6. Now, the second point that I'm picking on the line is on the negative sides, okay?
Okay.
And um, for both x and y, they are both negatives. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So this is the value for x, and this is the value for y. So the value for y is on this particular place, which is -4. So we know that the equation of a line is y equal to what?
X.
Y equal to what?
X.
No, this. Read this.
Y equals to mx plus c.
Good. Don't forget it. Like I said, don't forget it. This is the equation of a line. C is the intercept, okay? Y intercept. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Y what? Y what? Intercept. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Y intercept.
Yes, Y intercept is the C. So this red line, where did it cross Y axis?
Negative 6.
At no, at where did it? This is Y axis down here. So where did it cut Y
Yeah.
axis?
4.
Yeah,
0.
0. So that means the intercept C equal to 0. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So for this particular graph, our equation is going to be mx plus 0, which is the same as mx, okay? Okay.
Okay.
But the next thing is to find our m. M is gradient. M is what?
Gradient.
And how do we get gradient? How do we get gradient? We get gradient by finding change in y values over change in x, okay?
Yeah.
Change in y values divided by change in x. And the change in y value mean y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Are you taking note of that? Are you looking at that?
Yeah.
Now, for this particular point, y2 is above, okay?
Okay.
Y1 is, um, so for this is y2, this is x2, then this is y1, uh, this is x1. I can say x2 or let me say x1 first. For the point 1, let me say for the first point, point 1, that's x1, y1. X1 is negative 4. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
What is y1? Y1 is also negative 4. Then um, what is for point 2? What is x and y? For the second point, x2 is 4, I mean 6, and y2 is 6, okay? So that is 6, comma 6. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Good. Then we have our gradient, which is y2 minus y1. Y2 is 6, y1 is 4, so minus negative 4 rather. Then x2 is also 6, x1 is also negative 4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then we have 6 plus 4 over 6 plus 4. Why did it change to plus? Because minus times minus
Present
is,
presence is positive.
so this will be 10 over 10, which is 1. So our gradient equal to 1. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Since our gradient is 1, we'll slot 1 into the equation we have. Intercept is 0, gradient is 1. So that means y equal to mx plus c. When the intercept is 0 and m is 1, then we have y equals to 1 times x plus 0. So y equals, what is 1 times x? X. Now 0 is 0. So this is the equation of this first line. Y equal to x. That is, whatever y is what x will be. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Let's trace it on the table. When x is 1, what is y? Y is also 1 down. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's trace another value on the table. When x is 8, trace it to the graph. What is, when y is 8, what is x? 8. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you see that the values of x and y are the same for this graph, right?
Yeah. But why
Let's
did you do
trace.
it? Why did you?
You said
You know how you did a triangle for the first one? Why did you draw a triangle for the second one?
for the second one,
Yeah.
I haven't done the second one. This is the second graph, right?
Yeah.
I haven't done it at all. So I'm going to draw a rectangle for it also. Is that clear?
Yeah.
But I'm just verifying the equation. What is the equation? Read it for me.
The equation is y equals mx plus c.
No, no, this one. This one I'm showing you.
Y equals x.
That's what I'm verifying from the graph. That is it true that y equals x? So I now pick 8. Then I trace it to the line, give me 8 on x, okay?
Okay.
Then if I pick 4, will it also give me 4? Yes. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So whatever value y is, that is what x will be, or whatever value x is, that is what y will be. That's the meaning of this equation, y equal to x, okay?
Okay.
Now let's try the second one. Can you just pick any of the numbers on the second graph so that we can start from there as one of our points?
So 6 and 9
No, 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 just one value for x. What did you pick for x?
is
Did you pick 6 for x, right?
yeah. Well, in the x I put 6, yeah.
If you pick 6 for x, let's trace it to the graph, okay?
Okay.
So if I trace this 6 up, can you see? What value did it
Yeah.
correspond to on the y? That's 8, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means this is your second value of x. Then the first value, we can pick any other value down, or we just, let me see. Maybe instead of going down, I can just pick this triangle, okay?
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
So I have 2 points on that graph. The first point is here, okay, and the
Yeah.
second point is here. So for the first point, what will be my x and y at that point? Let me move this to the next page so that we can use it on that page. So can you see this now?
Yeah.
Now what is my this at this first point, point A, the first point and point B. For point A, what is x and y? X is 3 and y is 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you seeing it on the axis? 3 is here, okay?
Yeah.
And y is
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
Y is what? 2. So for point B, can you tell me the values of x and y?
So the value of x is 2.
Wait, x is what? Look at point B,
2.
trace it down to x axis. Point
2.
B.
And
B is
6.
up here.
6.
Yeah, 6. Very good. Then, what is y?
Right.
Trace it to y
2.
axis. If you trace it to x axis, you have 6. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you trace it to y axis, what do you have?
6. 8.
8. Are you getting that now?
Mm.
Now, this is my x1, y1, okay?
Okay.
Y1. And this is my x2, y2. Let me find, what's the equation of a straight line again?
Y equals mx plus c.
Don't forget it. What is C? Where did the graph intersect y-axis?
Hold on.
Where did the line cut y-axis?
2.
Y-axis, not x-axis. This is x. This is y. So where did the line cut y-axis? This is y-axis. The red line, where did it cut this y-axis? This is the point here. Can you see the point? Can you see? Bless you. Can you see this point?
Yeah.
Can you see this point? Yeah. So what's the number there?
So number 4.
-4. Okay.
Yeah.
So C is -4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
But let's find our M. How do we find M again? Do you remember?
That's from the gradient.
And yeah, gradient. Good. So what do we do? Y2 minus Y1 over what? X2
4.
minus X1, right? So what
Yeah.
is Y2? What is Y2? It's on the board. Check it. What is Y2?
Where's y2?
Check all of the values on the board. What is Y2? I even labeled all the
8.
numbers. 8, good. What is Y1?
6.
No,
Yeah,
check again.
y1. 2.
2, very good. What is X2?
x2.
Yeah.
6.
What is X1?
3.
3. So what is 8 minus 2? That's 6. And 6 minus 3 is this. So what's our gradient?
6 divided by 2.
Our gradient is what?
2.
M equals to 2. So what will be the equation now? Can you tell me?
Hold on. 2.
Now, what will be the equation? Equation. This equation. What will it
Uh,
become now?
so m is 2, so y equals 2
X
y
plus what?
plus c,
Minus 4, right?
yeah,
Which is C. So this plus will go away, okay? Because plus times minus is minus. So finally, y equals to what? 2x minus 4. That's the equation. Okay?
yeah,
Okay? So this simply means that any value of x, if you multiply it by 2 and you subtract 4, you get y. Is that clear?
okay, yeah,
Now, let's check on the graph. If x is 0 from the graph, y is negative 4, yes or no?
yeah,
So let us check. If I multiply 0 by 2, I get 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4, so that one was correct. Let's check another value. If x is 1, what do you think y should be? Y will be
x
negative
is
2 on the graph,
2,
right?
yeah,
If x is 1, y will be negative 2. So let's check. 2 times 1, that's 2,
that's 2,
right? Then 2 minus 2 is negative, and 2 minus 4 is negative 2, okay?
okay,
So let's check another value. Maybe when x is 10, right?
yeah,
Though we can't see this because we can't trace it to the graph above. Is that clear?
yeah,
So let's check a value that we can trace to the graph. Let's pick 4 for x. When x is 4, what is y? Y is also 4, right?
yeah,
Let's check. 2 times 4,
4, 8,
then 8 minus 4 is what?
4,
So you can see that is correct, right?
yeah,
So that is how to check if your equation is correct or not. Okay.
okay,
Now let me do one more while I will give you time to do the last one after copying what's on the screen. Okay.
okay,
So let's try this third one. Let's try this third one. So for this third one, uh, let's see. We want to find the equation of the line. Okay.
mm-hmm,
Is that clear?
yeah,
So we're going to pick point where our triangle should start from on the line. So maybe I can decide to use this spot, okay?
yeah,
And okay, I don't want it to cover the whole line, it just cover some part of the line, okay? Even if it covers the whole line, or let me move it up a bit here. So if I move it up, I can cover from here. I'm covering 8, okay?
mm,
Then this one. Can you see the triangle I have drawn now, right?
okay,
Good. So value the first value is at the bottom, second value is at the top. Can you see it?
yeah,
Okay, good. So this is let me see. This is value 1.1 and point 2. So for point 1, what are the xy for point 1? Can you guess? Can you tell me? Can you look at it and read
mm,
it? For the first point, which is point A, what are the x comma y? For point A, what is the value of x?
the value of x is, wait, 4,
Look at it again. This point.
6,
Minus 6, not 6, okay?
okay,
What is the value of y? What do you
uh,
call it?
8,
Look at what I'm
no,
showing
2,
you.
2, sorry,
Is
2,
it 2? Is it 2 or minus 2?
minus 2,
Minus 2, because it's below 0 there. Now, for the second point, what is the second point? B is at the top. So what are the x comma y? What is x?
8,
8. What is y?
4.
No. Check it very well.
It's negative 4.
No, it's positive, but check it very well. It's beyond 4.
5.
Yeah, 5. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So how can I get my gradient now? That is
Um.
y2 minus y1 over what? x2 minus x1. So what is y2? 5, right?
5. Yeah.
What is y1? Negative 2. What is x2? 8. What is x1? Negative
Negative
6.
6.
So what would this give me? 5 plus 2, right?
Mhm.
Over 8 plus 6. What is 5 plus 2? 7. What is 8
7.
plus 6? 14. And this will be 1 over 2. So my gradient is half, okay?
Okay.
What is the intercept? Where did the red line cross the y-axis?
1. No, 0.
1, 1, not 0, 1. You're
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Okay.
So C is 1. So what is the format of equation of a line again? Y equals to what?
Y equals to mx plus c.
Very good. So C is 1 and M is half. So what will be my equation? Y equals to what? Half x plus
What?
C, right? Plus 1.
Yeah.
Or I say 0.5 x plus 1, okay?
Okay.
And say y equals to 0.5x plus 1. So if I check it now, any value of x, if x is 2, 2 times half is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, then y must be 2. Can you see that it is 2, right?
Yeah.
When x is 2, y is also 2 on the graph. So that means the equation is valid, okay? So I'm going to allow you to put down the details on the board for the first one. Let me remove this second and third from here first. Then I'll give you some time also to do this fourth one as your classwork, okay?